Hello everyone, today I am going to review the Pentel 1000 Graphgear. And I've always wanted this pencil for a long time and I finally got it on Amazon. So let's check it out and let's see how we feel about this pencil and if it's really worth the hype, because I've been seeing YouTubers use this. Okay, so there's another layer of box in here. There's this box. Now I'm very pleased with the packaging and honestly it's very simple, but I really like it. So let's see how it looks. Since I'm so excited because I've always wanted to buy this pencil for so long. So let's open it. That's it. Okay, so this is how it looks. It honestly looks as seen as in the picture and how I seen in the vlogs. So let's see how it feels. Oh, it is heavy. It has some weight to it. Okay. Let's test it on this gray paper, because I want to use gray paper for my sketches from now on. The grip definitely helps to hold the pencil better, and the weight of the pencil is distributed among the entire pencil equally, so that when you hold it you definitely feel that it's a little bit lightweight. You can definitely tell there is quality to it. It is very fine, as you can see. So let me sketch a sketch on the other side of this gray paper. I want to complete a sketch on this with this pencil, and I want to show you guys how I felt during it and if there's any pros and cons. As you can see, it was very easy to draw. For me, especially when I draw, I like putting so much pressure on the paper, and the lid has not broken once when I was doing the shading, and that I really like about it. And I was very tough with it. I was not very gentle with it. I was going in with the pencil, but it held up very nicely for what it is. I think it was like 15 minutes. It is a good user experience. There's a difference between this and a normal pencil, because when you sketch with it, it is a good experience for you, as an artist. Like, you would never mind if it's a normal pencil or this pencil, but when I was sketching with it, I was like, okay, I feel good when I'm sketching it, and I can see the changes in the artwork. I can see the sharp lines. So my overall review for this pencil is, if you are very interested in sketching and you want to explore, shading and realism or any type of sketching medium, you can definitely go for this. But if you are an artist who uses paint most of the time and you just use a pencil to just do a background or a blocking type of sketches, you don't need this pencil that much. It defeats the purpose. It is very good for sketching, to be honest. So if you want this pencil, just go for it if you're interested in sketching or drafting. I've seen that this is essentially a drafting pencil. It's used for architectural drawings. You have to do drafting with it. I can see how this is useful because it's very precise. This pencil is very precise and it just goes where we want it to go, and it doesn't smudge. It is not smudging that much. It's very sharp. It is very thin, which is what I like, and it's precise, as I said before. So if you're someone who is interested in doing architecture or anyone who is interested in sketching, and I can see why people like it so much. It's the best quality pencil I've ever used. It definitely has some cons too. The cons that I have experienced is I don't really understand the concept of HP and this rotating thing. I know it's an indicator, but I don't know why it's helpful. If you know this about why this is located here, or why it is like why this exists, you can basically rotate this. Basically it's an indicator, and I don't know why it's useful for most part. If you know about this, please comment below. But apart from that, like, I can see why this pencil is a favorite, and I can see why most of them use this. Do you get the same result from any other pen pencil in the market? Yes, you can. That's another con. Like, you can definitely get the same results from any other pencil outside in the market. But what I am saying is, this is good for a user, in a user point of view. Like, this just made me happy when I'm sketching. It doesn't make me think more about pencil. It just makes me think about the sketch, and I can go all out in the sketch, and I can sketch whatever I want with how much pressure I need. The lid has not broken once, and the overall feel of it, the overall balance, and the overall durability, I might say, I think this pencil would last a long time for me, which is a pro for me. And yeah, I think this pencil is worth it for me. But obviously there are cons. As I said before, the con is, one of them is this, I don't get the concept of this, and the other is the price of it. I think I bought it for $9.80 something on Amazon, and on the box it says 1099. But for me, is it worth it for the price? Yes, because it's very good quality product, but it is too pricey in my opinion still. Well, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I take 1 point away because it's too pricey and I can get this result from other pencils, but other 9 points I'm giving it because it is very good for me. I really liked the experience of sketching with this, so I would give it a 9 stars out of 10, and I would keep this pencil. I would not return it, and you'll see more sketches from me. I'm thinking to do video on like week basis, and I can film a video where I will show you what I sketched in that week. So yeah, make sure you follow me on this journey. Comment down below what videos would you like to watch from me again, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.